Here we have a 2018 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now this vehicle does have £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website, but just to mention a couple, we do have the adaptive cruise control and the lane keeping assist. We have the off-road 20-inch alloy wheels, all unmarked and in excellent condition. The moon dust silver exterior paintwork. We have the Ford Raptor style front grille, with the front lower nudge bar as well, daytime running lights. Round to the passenger side, you find the side steps along the bottom. We do have the grey door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the roof rails. We do also have the rear load bay cover just around here at the back, as you can see. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well. We have the rear tow bar just here, as you can see. And if we walk back around to the driver's side now, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We do also have the Cobra exhaust just sticking out the side here. Take a look at the interior, then you'll find we have the half leather interior. We have the black leather with the orange fabric, orange stitching, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points back here. We have the WILDTRAK floor mats, electric windows on the doors. Again at the front we have the same half leather interior. Both front seats are heated. We have the WILDTRAK logo embroidered on the front seats just there. Driver's seat is electrically adjustable. We do have the electric mirrors and electric windows, automatic lights and the automatic wipers. And the multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside. Then you'll find we do have the two digital screens on either side of the dashboard. If you just turn the vehicle on, you see on that stalk just there, we have the lane keeping assist. We also have the adaptive cruise control just down here on the steering wheel. As you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do also have the main screen just here in the centre, which has plenty of features on that you would have seen on the photos. But if we just quickly go through them, we do have the audio just here on the left hand side with the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio and the CD player. We have the climate control down here, the R-Scored air conditioning. We also have the phone connectivity, making phone calls. We have the sat-nav navigation as well. As you can see, the map pops up just there. The mobile apps, we also have plenty of other features just here on the settings, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Further down, you find again the climate control. We also have the heat seat buttons either side, as you can see, all working as they should do. Two 12-volt connectivities, two USB ports. We have the 2 and 4-wheel drive high and low settings, the automatic gearbox. We do have the manual handbrake, the cup holders just there as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 2018 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now at the far of the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the volume buttons on the left hand side along with the phone connectivity. We do have the adaptive cruise control on the right. We also have the two digital screens either side of the dashboard, which can show different displays and show different bits of information. They've seen it on the photos and also the walk around video. If you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the half leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings, and the driver's seat is electrically adjustable, again adding to that comfort level. Now we do have the main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also has plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos. For example, the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, two really nice features to have. Below there we do have the climate control with the R-Scored air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We also have the automatic gearbox with the 4-wheel drive and the 2-wheel drive high and low settings. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on, start to slow down, wait for the traffic to pass, and then make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and then perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the reversing camera appear on the screen, put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.